51% of Americans are using something right now that feels nothing like debt, but is quietly destroying their finances exactly like debt does. It doesn't look like a loan. It doesn't feel like borrowing. It feels like a discount. By the end of this video, you'll know if you're already standing in the trap without realizing it, and you'll know exactly how to walk out of it before it closes around you. It's called Buy Now, Pay Later. It started innocent enough. 4 easy payments, 0 interest, no credit check required. Split a $100 purchase into 4 $25 charges, spread 2 weeks apart, and suddenly the purchase feels almost free. It's not free. It never was free. It just quietly moves the pain further down the calendar, hiding exactly how much pain is actually coming, until the moment it's too late to stop it. Meet Jasmine. 26 years old, works retail, makes decent money, has no history of financial trouble, no maxed out credit cards, nothing that would make you think she was at risk. Last year, she used Buy Now, Pay Later exactly once. Just one jacket for a job interview. It felt so easy, so painless that she used it again a few weeks later. Then again, a phone case after hers cracked. New shoes when the ones she had wore through, a birthday gift for her sister, groceries just once during a week her paycheck ran unusually tight. Each individual decision felt completely reasonable in the moment. None of them felt like debt. By the end of the year, without ever consciously deciding to, Jasmine had 7 separate Buy Now, Pay Later plans running at the exact same time. 7 different companies, 7 different due dates, all of them quietly pulling from the same checking account, and she had absolutely no idea how close she was standing to a collision. Then it happened. She missed one payment in December, just one, on one app for $38. That single missed payment triggered a late fee. The late fee pushed her account into a small overdraft. That overdraft blocked her next Buy Now, Pay Later payment from processing on a completely different app, which triggered a second late fee on a completely unrelated plan in the exact same week. One missed payment, 4 separate financial consequences in just 7 days. Here's the part that should genuinely worry you, no matter how careful you think you are. Unlike a single credit card with one clear monthly statement, these 7 plans were completely invisible to each other. Jasmine couldn't see them all in one place, ever. Each individual app only showed her its own small piece of a much larger picture. She didn't know her real total, the full weight of what she actually owed, until she finally sat down one night, gathered every single app on her phone, and manually added every single balance up by hand. The number that appeared stopped her cold. $1,400, spread silently across 7 different apps, all due within the exact same 3-week window. This isn't a story about Jasmine being careless, or bad with money, or financially irresponsible. This is happening to millions of people across the country right now, in nearly the exact same way. And it's happening by design, not by accident. Buy Now, Pay Later companies make their money 2 primary ways: merchant fees charged to the stores and late fees charged to people like Jasmine. Which means the entire system isn't actually built to help you budget responsibly. It's built to make spending feel weightless in the exact moment you're deciding. So you say yes far more often than you ever would if you saw the full price sitting there up front. And because approval is nearly instant, often with no hard credit check at all, the people using these apps most heavily tend to be the ones who are already financially stretched the thinnest. The app never once asks if you can genuinely afford this. It only ever asks if you want it right now. So how do you actually use this tool without letting it quietly use you instead? First, treat every single plan exactly like a real bill, not like free money that appeared out of nowhere. Write it down the moment you sign up: the amount, the due date, the company name. Second, never allow more than one active plan running at the same time. If you already have one open and unpaid, treat that as your signal to pay full price for the next purchase or walk away from it entirely until the first one is closed. Third, and this is the single question that changes everything, Before you tap Pay in 4, stop and ask yourself honestly, would I still buy this exact item if I had to pay the full price today, right now, in one single payment? If the honest answer is no, the 4-payment split isn't actually making this affordable for you. It's simply hiding the fact that you can't afford it yet. Jasmine eventually paid off all 7 plans completely. It took her 4 full months of unusually tight budgeting to climb out of a hole that started with roughly $300 in small, individually harmless-feeling purchases. The scariest part of Buy Now, Pay Later was never really the interest. Most of these plans genuinely charge none. The scariest part is how completely invisible overspending becomes, right up until the exact moment every single bill collides with reality all at once. Convenience is not the same thing as affordability. Remember that distinction the next time checkout quietly offers to split it into 4 easy payments. Follow Dollar Den, because the next financial trap hiding in plain sight might already be sitting in your wallet right now.